Hi guys, welcome to Deep Master. And what is the distance between Z Aroc ASRock Z790 Nova Wi-Fi and Z790 Revit Wi-Fi? So they both lot of the same and lot of different. So firstly talking about from the factor, ATX from factor, and this is same, almost same. This is advanced 20 Z copper PCB. Now talking about the unique features, the super productivity PCIe 5th generations M2. This is also same. Dual channel DDR5, same. Rock solid durability. This is also there. Server grade low loss PCB. This is also there. And that is a different 20 plus 1 power phase, and this is 60 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, that is a different. And 20K long lasting black, this is also there. A ASRock auto driver installer, EZ troubleshooter. This is not in Wi-Fi. Now I'm talking about the CPU. The supported 15, 13 and 12 generations core Intel core processor, socket number LGA 1700, Hybrix topology, and this is both same, both motherboard. Chipset also same, and dual channel DDR5 memory technology. This is also there. 4x means 4 socket for the RAM. This is same. Now talking about the CPU slots, CPU 1x PCI 5.0 x 16 slot. This is also there both in chipset, and this is all same. This is vertical, this is different, vertical M.2 socket, and this is simple normally. And this is support AMD crossfile, this is not support, and that is also different. 15U gold contact in VGA PCI socket slot. Now talking about the graphic, the Intel Xe graphic architecture 12 generations, this is also supporting this. One HDMI 1, or this is EDP 1.4 support Mac solutions. This is not in Wi-Fi. 1.1x display 1.4 DSE support SDCP 2.3 and Mac solutions 8K 60 and gigahertz and 50K 120 gigahertz. This is also same. Audio almost same. LAN 2.5 gigabit, LAN 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 1000 Mbps, and ultra speed means 2.5 GB per second. This is also same. Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi version is also same, 2x Wi-Fi 7 model, and supporting IEEE 8.2.11a/b, g, and ac, ax, and b. Real panel, this is in this advanced. One HDMI port, one DP port, Optimax optical. This is for the use the LAN for the audio drive, audio for audio port. Okay, 3.0, 3.4, 3.0 second generation, 3x USB 3.2, one first generation port. Okay, 2.0. So 2.0, 2x. One RJ45 LAN port, one RJ45 LAN, and this is extra. One clean BIOS button, one line out jack, one microphone input jack. So this is there. Now talking about the storage. So M.2 socket, Okay, so type of 2260 and 2280 PCI, fifth and sixth, four generations, 120 GB per second model, and this is also same hybrid socket. Okay, so this is same. Connector is not required. BIOS. So BIOS 256 MB AMI UEFI legal BIOS with GUI support. GUI support. And this is 128 MB AMI UEFI legal BIOS with the GUI support. This is software, so that is Microsoft Windows 10 and 64-bit and 1164. So BIOS same supporting. Accessories, that is the difference. This is lot of accessories. So finally, this motherboard Aroc Z790 Novo Wi-Fi is lot of advanced for this. So thank you guys. Have an issue, so please comment me, I will support. Thank you very much.